if you're looking for an adventure, if you're fit, if you want to see nature, the beautiful nature of Crete, if you don't mind getting wet or you want to cool off in the river, this is just an amazing place to come see. This Kourtaliotiko Canyon is situated 22 kilometers south of Crete, and it took us about an hour and 10 minutes to drive from Hanya. And we've lived here for a few years, and we've driven past through this canyon quite a few times, going to Preveli and Plagias, and we didn't even know about this waterfall, this river. So I want to thank the internet for showing us this place. So this hike, it's a little challenging. I wouldn't recommend it for very young children, although we did see some quite young kids that came down the stairs. But for going up the river, it might be a little bit too hard for them. It was mostly fit young adults. So we came last September here, and the water level was down a little bit, made the hiking up the river somewhat easier. There are little trails alongside the river at some points, but you can also get down to the waterfalls by way of stairs, and I'm just going to guess about 400 or 500 feet down and back up if you're going to go that way. But this is just the perfect place to enjoy nature, to cool off, be ready to get wet, bring a lunch, bring some water, and it's just an amazing place. Enjoy the video, and we'll talk to you later.
I'm already trying to think of when I get in bed tonight, remember how cold I was today. To here, bank. But for some reason, you couldn't even